Hello there fellow modelers. Today we're going to be looking at how to integrate the forward fuselage into the main fuselage, adding the cannon muzzle, and details to the air intake. Without further ado, let's begin. YOAV HOZMI design come with very detailed instructions. I hope you'll just pick up one and two hints from my build here for the forward fuselage. Here I am just lightly scoring the edges of the base for the canopy and using our trusty paintbrush handle to put in pre-shaped curve to help with the general assembly of the fuselage panel. Once we join the halves, it's best to put it against a flat surface I have found and keep the edges straight. I may not show it, but always pre-fit all parts before final gluing. Here I use the cryolite glue to tack the base while I tackle the top to ensure that there is no space between the panels. It's very important to follow the instructions and put in the bulkheads where they're supposed to go to maintain the shape of the fuselage curve. Now we join the forward fuselage to the main body. For me, I found using my fingers to press against where the bulkheads are will cause warping in the fuselage. So I use many things: a roller, cake decorative tool, even the tweezer, but never my fingers to smoothen the curved edges. Here I will sand the edges of the cardstock so as to help it blend within the main body of the aircraft. That's totally optional, but for me, it gives a level of authenticity to the look of the model. Nice. Now that we have completed, we will now paint joints and edges in the appropriate colors to add to the realism of our model. Now to do the following air intake, you're going to have to follow what YOAV has recommended carefully, because it involves not only putting the panels together but also using the supplied formwork to get the correct shape of the intake. I am going to apologize from now for the quality of the video when it comes to showing the detail for the light. At this scale, things become very tiny and then a bit blurry when trying to show how I did the navigation lights. Well, this is going to be it for this video, and hopefully we can go on to doing the nose and then the flying surfaces. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, enjoy the little things in life, and one love.